Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to appear offline on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is to open up the Instagram app. And then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for Activity Status. If you cannot find it, search it, type Activity Status in the search bar. Oh, if you have this toggled on, your activity status will be shown to every account you follow and anyone you've messaged and interacted with. If you want to appear offline on Instagram, then simply toggle this off. One thing to keep in mind is that now, you also won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.